It's like raining motorcycles in the market. In the coming months, we are going to see dozens of motorcycles of different categories to be launched. So, I thought, why not to come up to you with a video on that?
Hey, ready?
Ready?
Set?
Set.
1, 2, 3, go!
So, what's up everyone and welcome to ABC. And here we are watching upcoming bikes of 2021. Honda is going to launch its Forza 350 axis scooter in the market, and the 350 here resembles the 350cc engine in it. It's not the same as the Highness CB350, it's a completely different unit. Here though, the engine used is a high revving undersquare engine which can take the scooter at a maximum speed of around 140 kmph. So this is the first time of any company to launch its maxi scooter of this segment. Companies like BMW have their maxi scooter of this segment in the market, but they are offered at a very high price point. So with this, customers will have the accessibility to this kind of scooters at a budget-friendly price point. Also, we have to see whether Honda sells it at their conventional showroom or the Big Wing store. Particularly, I think that the Forza 350 will be available at the Big Wing stores. So we are going to see this scooter very soon with a price point of around 2.5 lakhs. Some months earlier, these spy images of KTM RC390 gone viral on internet, and people's reaction was,
ये तो टट्टी है.
personally speaking, I too didn't like the looks in the first. But the launch of RC125 and RC200 changed my mind. Bikes look really very good from every angle, except the front is not that great. But we just can't hate or judge the bike just by its look, because 390 was to be the killer in its class. And now, with the reduced weight, increased tank capacity, comfortable riding posture, and numerous electrical features made it far more practical. Bike now comes with big airbox, more aerodynamic frame, and lots of electronic features like switchable traction control, cornering ABS, and many more. New TFT display is also added for better cockpit design and usability. The frame of the bike is also modified for better handling and stability. So, being the king of the power, the bike is now the king of the features too. We can see it very soon with a price point of around 2.9 lakhs. Some weeks earlier, Himalayan was spite testing. It was seen that the wheel sizes were reduced, but it was not the Himalayan, else it is the Scram 11 from Royal Enfield. It is built on Himalayan platform, sharing its engine, chassis and lot of other things. Royal Enfield is trying to launch it this year at a price point of around 1.9 lakhs. It is very soon that we gonna see Himalayan 650 from the Royal Enfield, and ABC is one of the first channels to bring this info as early as possible. For more such quick updates about automobiles, don't forget to subscribe to ABC. Himalayan 650 will share its engine from the Royal Enfield 650 twins. Also, it is possible that we gonna see the two-sided muffler like the Interceptor and the Continental GT on this Himalayan 650. Its competitor in the market will be the KTM Adventure 390 and the Benelli TRK. Whereas this motorcycle will be the better highway cruiser than the current Himalayan due to its bigger parallel twin unit mated with 6-speed gearbox. Royal Enfield will make it available at a price point of around 3.5 lakhs. Bajaj is going to launch its 250cc siblings, the 250F and the NS250 in the market. Many times these motorcycles have been spy testing. It seems that these motorcycles will not share their engine from the KTM Duke 250 like the RS200 or the Dominar 400. It's completely different. The launch is being scheduled at 20th October this year, and I think that the bike will be available at a price point of around 1.6 lakhs. This bike will directly compare to the Yamaha FZ25 and the Suzuki Gixxer 250. Also, the engine is expected to be the air-cooled engine. Husqvarna is bringing its 125cc Vitapillion and the Smart Pillion in the market. These motorcycles will house the same 125cc engine from the KTM RC125 or the Duke 125, whereas the bike will be tuned differently. Finally, the waiting is over. Personally, I was waiting for this motorcycle from last 2 years. Yamaha is going to bring its MT-03 in India. This motorcycle will directly compare to the king in the segment already named the Duke 390. The MT-03 will get the same engine from the Yamaha R3, and the 321cc motor will produce maximum power of 41.5 PS at the rate 10,000 rpm. It is more likely possible that the motorcycle will be more expensive than the Duke 390. MT-03 will be available at the price point of around 3.1 lakhs. I hope so that you like this video on the upcoming bikes of 2021. If yes, then don't forget to like, share with your friends, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. See you then, bye bye.